Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about the skin effect in a conducting medium. In a conducting medium, when an electromagnetic wave penetrates, it penetrates up to a certain distance, and that is known as the skin effect. And the depth up to which it penetrates is known as the skin effect. Now I am telling you the derivation of it. See, the wave equation in a conducting medium can be written as del 2 E is equal to mu sigma del E by del T plus mu epsilon del 2 E by del T square. This is the wave equation in terms of electric field vector. In terms of magnetic field vector also, we can write del 2H is equal to mu sigma del 2H by del H by del T plus mu sigma mu epsilon del 2H by del T square. But here we have taken only the electric field vector. The electric field vector is represented by E is equal to E0 e to the power j omega t. E is the function of x, y, z and t, or you can say space and time both, and E0 is the function of x, y, z and e to the power j omega t. In this way we can write E is equal to E0 e to the power j omega t, because the electric in electromagnetic wave, electric field vector, electric field and magnetic fields both constitute both constructs the electromagnetic wave, and these are also sinusoidal. E is equal to E0 for j omega t. Here, after differentiating the first equation, we require del E by del t and del 2E by del t square. So del E by del t is equal to j omega E0 to the power j omega t, and this is nothing but j omega E. And again del 2E by del t square, we redifferentiate j omega E or del E by del t in terms of time. We see it becomes again j square omega square E0 e to the power j omega t, and that is equal to minus j square is equal to minus 1. So minus omega square E. Substituting the values of this del E by del t and del 2E by del t square in equation 1, we have del 2E is equal to mu epsilon j omega E plus mu epsilon minus omega square E, as we found. So this is equal to j omega mu epsilon E minus mu epsilon omega square E. Now doing it minus, after we combining it, we put into the left hand side del 2E minus j omega mu epsilon minus mu epsilon omega square E is equal to 0. Now for a plane wave traveling in x direction and considering only the EY component, because it has the x, EX, EY and EZ, we are considering here only the EY component, because it will be perpendicular to the direction of propagation as the principle of electromagnetic wave. Equation 5 become del 2 Ey by del x square minus j omega mu epsilon minus omega square mu sigma mu epsilon is equal to, first it was sigma, is Ey is equal to 0. Now gamma square, if we put j omega mu sigma minus omega square mu epsilon, then we get del 2 Ey by del x square minus gamma square Ey is equal to 0. Here gamma is called the propagation constant. The solution of equation 8 can be written as, by the principle of differential equation, Ey is equal to E0 e to the power minus gamma x. For conductors we know that the sigma, that is the conductivity, is much greater than the permittivity. Therefore equation 7, that is gamma square is equal to j omega mu sigma minus omega square. So in this, if we take j omega mu sigma out, then it becomes 1 minus omega square mu epsilon by j omega mu sigma, and it gives us j omega mu sigma 1 plus j omega epsilon by sigma, or gamma square is equal to j omega mu sigma. This gives us gamma is equal to under root. Now we can manipulate here j So we can multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. Omega gamma. So 2j omega mu sigma by 2. Or we can again, plus 1 and minus 1, we can add and subtract also. So 1 plus 2j minus 1 omega mu sigma by 2, and this gives us nothing but, because minus 1 can be written as j square. J is the imaginary number. So we know that j square is equal to minus 1. So 1 plus j ka whole square, 1 plus j, the whole square of the 1 plus j omega mu sigma by 2, it becomes, and it gives you 1 plus j omega mu sigma by 2 to the power half. Thus we see that it is a complex quantity whose so gamma is equal to alpha plus j beta, and here alpha and beta, the magnitudes are omega mu sigma by 2 to the power half. The wave equation Ey now can be written as, Ey is equal to a e to the power minus omega mu sigma by 2x e to the power minus j omega mu sigma by 2, putting delta is equal to under root 2 by omega mu sigma in the equation 9. We can write Ey is equal to a e to the power minus x by delta e to the power minus jx by delta. So at x is equal to 0, Ey is equal to E0, because a is equal to E0 here. A is the amplitude, and amplitude is nothing but the initial value of the electric field E0, which we had written in the first. So, and at x is equal to delta Ey is equal to a upon e. Clear from the equation 10, clear from the equation number 10. So thus, when a wave enters or penetrates a distance delta in the conducting medium, Ey decreases to 1 by e of its initial value E0, or 36.1% of its initial value. This effect is known as skin effect, and the depth x is equal to delta is called the skin depth. Delta is equal to under root 2 upon omega mu sigma, and this is equal to 1 upon pi f mu sigma under root. So we have now in detail explained about the skin effect. So now thank you very much.